In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Subscript in Notion. If you've ever wanted to type something like H2O or CO2 with the number appearing slightly below the line, this is a simple way to do it directly inside Notion using the equation feature. Even though Notion doesn't always offer Subscript as a regular text formatting option in the toolbar, you can still create it very easily once you know where to click and what to type. To get started, open your Notion page and navigate to the document or section where you want the subscript to appear. Once you're on the right page, click into the exact spot where you want to insert it. This is important because Notion will place the equation block wherever your cursor is active. Next, type a / followed by the word equation. As you type, Notion will bring up a list of commands and matching options. From that menu, choose block equation. This opens Notion's equation editor, which lets you format text using equation style syntax. Now in the equation field, type your content using an underscore right before the number you want to appear as subscript. For example, if you want to write H2O properly, type H_2O, which looks like H_2 followed by O when entered. In the equation editor, that will format the 2 as a subscript. The same idea works for something like CO2. You would type CO_2, placing the underscore directly before the number that should be lowered. A useful tip here is to make sure the underscore comes immediately before the character you want subscripted. If there's a space in the wrong place, it may not format correctly, so it's best to type carefully and keep the formula together exactly as needed. Once your subscript looks correct in the preview, click Done. Notion will then insert the formatted equation into your page, and your subscript will be displayed neatly. That's all there is to it. Open your Notion page, click where you want the subscript, type /equation, select block equation, enter your text with an underscore before the number you want subscripted, and then click Done. It's a quick method and it works well for chemical formulas, scientific notation, and other content where subscripts are needed.